Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today, we're gonna refill a jack that's just having trouble going up. First thing you wanna do, get some air, clean everything off as much as you can. Okay, and then paper towel. Find the jack fill area, that's this one on here. And then get you some hydraulic jack oil. Okay, this is just Johnson's one. And for this model, you need a Phillips. And you're just gonna take this here and you wanna make sure you have all the pressure down, that's lowered all the way. And then you want to keep this up away. You don't want dirt to get in there because hydraulic systems, when they get dirt, can cause issues. Is it already cut? Nope. Grab something to cut the end of that. We're going to grab that right now.
Okay.
Okay, so you figure out how much you need. If you don't have this type of bottle, and you give some kind of other end, you're going to need a funnel. But you can use just this here, and it's difficult because of the angle. And you just drip it in. Funnel works because then you don't make a mess, but if you got this kind of tip, it won't squirt everywhere. It'll just let a little oil out. Made a little bit of mess, but that's alright. Let's fill it. That was a lot more empty than I thought. Good Lord. No, we weren't. I've only used that much. It just feels like it because we're coming out such a small hole. That's what she said. I'm squeezing it to get more out, and it's moving where the pattern is, see? And there we go. So we're there. And then you're going to want to sit here for a little while. And you can do this with it off. See? It's not on. Oh, that was on. We want it off, okay? We want it all the way off when you do that. Sometimes it'll help you get some of those bubbles to come out of there. Okay? As you see now, look. Got a little more space. That's too much, so we're gonna do that again, see what happens. We're way too much, okay? And we're gonna let it sit here and rest and hope some of the air bubbles come out on their own for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna put the plug back in and go to work. Like I said, you don't want it filling out of the hole like that. So we're gonna slightly wipe the edges here so it's clear, so when the cap goes on it seals good. Be careful what you're using with this towel, you don't get inside. And we'll be back in a few minutes, you get your air and we'll show you, and it'll be like zip 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 bap bap bap. And this is just if you're using your jack and you're like it's working, but like the beginning you gotta like supercharge it for like 10 minutes to get it to work, because it shouldn't have to do that. All right, we'll be back in a few.